Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing for you. It's a limited edition unboxing and it arrived quicker than expected. It was only released yesterday and it's one of the 3 Cult Beauty skin edit boxes. As you can see, I went for the hydration edit. There's also a blemish edit and a radiance edit. They all cost £37. The hydration and the radiance edit both have a value of around £190. The blemish edit has a value of around £140, so all 3 are way above the cost of the actual boxes. I absolutely adore Cult Beauty beauty boxes. They bring out amazing boxes and I try and get them all. I was umming and ahhing whether to go for this one or the radiance. My skin, which is normal to combination, and obviously being of a certain age, I want to have some glow in my face. So the radiance box really did appeal to me, but then coming into September, I was thinking, my skin does change a bit. I suppose with all the central heating, the changes in temperature and things like that. So my skin does become more from normal to combination, normal to dry. So I went for this one. I thought it had some amazing products in there. Should I opt for the Radiance one as well? You'll find all links to all 3 boxes down below in my description, as well as links to the Cult Beauty website and any offers they have running. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's show you what's inside. If a hydrated and dewy complexion is your #1 skincare aspiration, yes, then this thirst quenching routine is the key to making it reality. Prepare to bid adieu to dry, dull skin. Just a sneak peek. Oh, what is this? Okay. There's no leaflet inside, so I'm just going to pull them out. I'm not in any particular order. First up, we got a product by Jordan Samuel's Skin. This is the Aftershow Treatment Cleanser for sensitive skin. And there's 30 mils here. Another new brand I haven't tried before. Because all the world's a stage, the Aftershow Treatment Cleanser for sensitive skin is the ideal first step in preparing your skin to glow in the limelight. This unique gel to oil formula uses olive, jojoba and grapeseed oils to help remove every trace of makeup, including hard to remove stage makeup. While green tea, chamomile and aloe helps to provide soothing hydration formulated without the fruit acids in the original Aftershow Treatment Cleanser, this gentle yet effective cleanser is made for sensitive and sensitized skin. Glow in the radiance for you. That sounds really lovely. So we've got a cleanser. Then we've got a product from the Seated Queen. Again, something new. This is a cold cream, a evening cleanser and night mask. And there's 30 mils here. A little card on the top here. It says, as a makeup remover and cleanser, applied to dry skin, remove with warm dampened cloth. As a facial or overnight mask, apply a thin veil to cleanse skin for an ultra boost. Combine with our restoring face oil, remove with a dampened cloth. Oh, it smells really nice. I think there's a little bit of lemongrass in there, maybe. It smells really lovely. So an evening cleanser or a night mask by the Seated Queen. Next, we've got a product by the New Co, and this is the pill. Vitamin C and AHA and HA, and there's 30 mils here. The pill is a single daily dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural, it delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. This is a topical supplement using caffeine, anti-inflammatories, AHA, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. You apply 2 pumps to the face after cleansing, allow to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you follow with your moisturiser. Oh, this sounds great as well. Oh. If you've tried any of these, please let me know what your thoughts are, or the brands. If there's any particular products that you swear by from any of these brands, I'd love to hear. So yes, there's that. Next up, we got a Queen Essence from Omorovicka, Budapest, and there's 30 mils here. A silky smooth hydrator, Queen Essence pairs a sensory experience with nature's super ingredients to replenish and prep skin for further treatments. Deeply hydrating snow mushroom and hyaluronic acid boost moisture levels and plumps skin, whilst antioxidant tomato stem cells shield from urban pollutants, defending against premature aging. The complexion is smooth and supple, radiating a youthful glow. And it says to apply to dry skin after cleansing, tap into the face, leave to absorb for a few minutes, and then carry on with your usual skincare regime. So really, I should be doing this in order. It will just make more sense, wouldn't it? So we've got a Queen Essence there. Next, we've got a Fresh mask. This is Floral Recovery Calming Mask. Even skin tone and texture, and there's 15 mils. Gorgeous packaging, really, really lovely. I've tried a few products from Fresh, and I've got a few of these little mini masks as well. I haven't used them all yet, but the brand is really, really nice. Prior to receiving a little collection of Fresh products, I hadn't really tried anything before, but I absolutely adore the rose tonic, the rose toner with the little rose petals inside. That is beautiful. This gentle daily leave-on mask helps your skin recover from visible signs of discomfort for a smooth, soft, more even tone complexion. Apply an even layer onto the face and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. Massage in the excess. Gentle enough to use once a day and best left on overnight. So yeah, a day cream or an overnight mask. Next, we've got a product by Dr. Barbara Strum, and this is a face cream. There's 20 mils there. I can't tell you any information about this as it doesn't say anything other than the ingredients on the bottle. Oh, that feels lovely. That feels really, really nice. It feels nice and creamy, but not sticky or tacky. It's absorbed really nicely into my skin. Just left my skin feeling super soft. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a cloth. Oh my gosh, it's a large one. It's huge. It's Cult Beauty, their own brand. And it's a very, very large microfiber cloth with a, it looks like a muslin backing. And you got a little tab thing here so you can hook this up in your bathroom. I like the fact that you've got 2 different sides. Yeah, no, that's nice. As face cloths go. So those are all the products inside the Hydration Skincare Edit by Cult Beauty. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got Jordan Samuel Skin, a facial cleanser, and a Cult Beauty cleansing cloth. Next we've got Omorovicka. This is Queen Essence, a silky skin hydrator. Then we got the pill by the New Co, which contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and AHA. Then we got a face cream by Dr. Barbara Strum. Then an evening cleanser by the Seated Queen. And then lastly, a calming face mask by Fresh that can be used as an overnight treatment or as a day cream. All in there. I really like it. I love the fact that it contains many products that I've never tried before, haven't even heard of the brands before, and that always really excites me. I love that we have got an actual routine because it gives you a chance to try these products in the order that they were created to use for. I'm really happy with it. It has a value of over £190 and I paid £37 for it. So yeah, really, really chuffed with that. If I can find any discount codes, there used to be U15. If that can work, then I'll pop it down in my description, or if I can find anything else, I'll pop it down. I do have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to £5 off a purchase of, I think it's £30 or more off the Cult Beauty website, but I don't think you can use it against these boxes. I'll pop it down there as well, but yeah, if I can find anything else, I'll pop it there. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you go for one of them, or did you go for more than one of them? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.